In this question, the function f of x equal to x square minus 1 into mod x square minus 3x plus 2 plus cos mod x is not differentiable at which point? Here we have cos mod x equal to cos x. Since cos minus x equal to cos x, therefore we can write f of x equal to x square minus 1 x square minus 3x plus 2 mod plus cos x. Now suppose we have a function g of y equal to h of y into mod h of y. Then this function is not differentiable at y is equal to at hy equal to 0. Therefore we can say this function is not differentiable when x square minus 3x plus 2 equal to 0. That is x minus 2 into x minus 1 equal to 0. Now this gives at x is equal to 2 and at x is equal to 1. Now f dash x equal to x square minus 1 into d by dx of x square minus 3x plus 1 mod plus x square minus 3x plus 1 mod into 2x minus sin x. Now f dash x, limit f dash x tend to 1 minus equal to limit x tend to 1 minus x square minus 1 into d by dx of x square minus 3x plus 1. Sorry, this is 2 here. 2 mod plus x square minus 3x plus 2 mod into 2x minus sin x. Now this limit when x tend to 0 minus is equal to 0. This limit also when x tend to 1 is also equal to 0. Therefore the limit is equal to minus sin 1. Similarly we can see that limit x tend to 1 plus equal to, here this limit becomes 0, this limit also becomes 0. So this is equal to minus sin 1. That means limit x tend to f of x 1 minus f dash x equal to limit x tend to 1 plus f dash x. This means f of x is differentiable at x is equal to 1. Therefore the point at which the function is not differentiable is x is equal to 2. Therefore correct option is option D.